Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1963 Austin Healey 3000 Mark II BJ-7 sports convertible. It's finished in Colorado red with black interior. It comes with both this white hardtop and its soft top, 4-speed, overdrive, wire wheels, heater, adjustable steering, all the North American spec on this car. Super good California car for restoration. We bought it, I believe, up in, I think it was Nevada, but as you can see here, last registration was September of '81 in California. So if you look at the undercarriage photos on this car, it is a fantastic car to restore. I just had a quick look under there, just a little bit of usual rust in the trunk right below the battery, but you know, dog legs need a little bit of stitching, but the rest of the car looks just excellent. Super straight. Had a little bang on this corner here under the headlamp, but should be easily straightenable. Didn't really affect any of the grille fit or the hood, but yeah, really nice hood fit. Great grille fit, really lovely headlamp fit here on the right side. Just super old paint that's thinned out now. I think it's mostly original paint. You can see here how thin it is all over the front shroud. But really good, honest car that's probably, you know, hardly been painted or is original paint with maybe just one thin respray. But excellent car for straightforward restoration. Really good trunk fit. Little bit of corrosion on that lower lip of the trunk, which is normal. But the nice thing about this car is, you know, never been hit back here. These are all the original rivets, so just super nice. Little punch on that corner just around the tail light, but the rest of the car is just great. Really nice straight car. The bumper's done its job and protected the bodywork here. So yeah, great trunk fit. Really good original panels throughout. Really nice door gaps. You know, if you're looking for an easy car to restore, this Healey's a really good one. I mean, we're getting thin in the picking of the bottom of the barrel here for really good Healey's that don't require massive sheet metal repair, and this is one of them here, living in California almost all of its life and then being taken up to Nevada. So really cool look with this factory. I mean, this aftermarket hardtop gives it kind of a rally look. But yeah, we'll just do another walk around here. We'll look at other parts of the car. So interior wise, I can see right here, red on red, the original interior color. You can see they've dyed the interior black at one point. But you know, really good floors in this car. Most of the interior is just kind of, you know, it's just been attacked by the elements, but you know, most all the interiors here. We do have the soft top frame. This is an aftermarket fiberglass hardtop, kind of looking like the original. Seats are here. Gauges and dash are all complete. We're rolling this car around in the yard, and the steering box is beautiful on it. So take a look at this side. Yeah, all the chrome's present. You can see that's an original door panel. That's just been dyed black. You can see in here the original radio, aftermarket. I mean, the dealer installed radio under the heater. But super good little car to do. This was the first. Door hinges are a little stiff. This is the first model of the roll-up window car, but still has the early interior. I'm gonna pop the hood here. I have to pull a bit harder than my I left a little week left to hand. There we go. Yeah, so as you can see here, super original engine bay. Even all cosmetically pretty in here, you know, not all rusted out or anything, but yeah, really lovely, straight, clean sheet metal all the way through. No accidents, no frame accidents. Original HS6 carbs, correct engine for BJ-7. Engine turns by hand. I haven't attempted to get it to run, but most of these cars run really, really good, even after sitting for a bit. But yeah, have a look at all the still photos. I've left the hood cracked up there, but cracked open. But yeah, this is our super good, straight, solid Austin Healey 3000 Mark II BJ-7 sports convertible for easy restoration. California car. There's the original front valance and the complete soft top frame assembly that goes with it. And this is a 3000 Mark II BJ-7 wire wheels overdrive. Originally Colorado red on red. California car, sitting since 1981. Very good car to just do a straightforward, you know, at least a cosmetic restoration on. Mechanically it may be great. www.kurttannermotorcars.com